Sometimes we get in a situation in Excel where we need to round our numbers, and they've got 4 different round functions I'm going to explain to you today. So I'll start with this first one, equals round. There are the 4 that I'm going to be talking about. Let's start with the basic round. So I'm going to select that one, and this is the number I'm going to bring in. And the number of digits is asking how many spaces you want rounded after the decimal place. So let's just say we want to round to 2 places. And there we get a result, rounding up to 0.39. Let's try this one, equals round. We'll use the down option. Again, picking that number and how many digits beyond the decimal. Let's say 0 in this case, and let's see what it does. Remember, I'm saying round down. Okay, so that came down to 130. If you wanted it up to 131, you'd have had to choose the other option, or the regular round would have worked. Let's do this one, equal round. Let's do a round up, picking that number, and let's say 1 decimal place here. Let's see what it does. Okay, and rounding up. And then this one was kind of different. I had to look it up. So I did round. You see it starts actually MROUND. I'll pick that one. And again, this number here, and I had to look up, what do they mean by multiple? Well, they meant you could put in a divisor, like a multiple of 3. So if I do this to round to a multiple of 3, what I actually get there is the number 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So there you go, 4 different styles of the round function.